What's up guys, this is Matt Tolbers with Performance Diecast, and in this video we're going to do an unboxing of a 2015 Ford F-150 by the company NEX. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you guys liked it. Hopefully it was a little bit brighter because I have this light box now. I actually didn't have it fully turned up. I didn't want too much glare. But yeah, this was a request from this guy named Jatin who messaged the Facebook page. This isn't going to be my typical review type videos on stuff like this, but I figured once in a while I'll throw something in there like that if somebody requests it. But I have 3 more cars on the way. I just wanted to get better lighting. So I just felt like it was just hard to see, and using the light on my phone just was kind of, I don't know, I didn't like it. So hopefully it's a little bit brighter now, and I'll try to make these things more interesting here in the future. But let's just keep going at the cars, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, and please leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one.